Hi, today I'm reviewing Galaxy S23 Ultra and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So just to create a new home screen folder, the simplest way is just to hold the application and just drag it to another one. And as we can see, we just successfully create a new home screen folder. By the same way, we can add here more applications. If you want to add a couple of apps in one click, just open this folder, tap here to this plus icon and just select the applications which you want to add to your folder. After that, tap just to done, and now we can see that we just add them successfully. Just to give a name to the folder, you should tap to folder name and enter for example, the apps. Just to rename the folder by the same way, tap on the name and rename it. If you want to move folder on the screen or between the screens, you should just hold it and drag it. You can also create new screens with the folders. Just hold it and drag it to the right side of the screen. Just to remove the applications from the folder, you should just hold the app and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this app on the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the folder and from the home screen, hold it and tap to remove icon. Also, we can create the new folder from these applications here. So just hold the app and just select, for example, 2 or 3 applications. After that, tap on the right upper corner to create a new folder, and now by the same way we can just give a name to this folder on just more different actions. So just to remove a couple of apps in one click, just select them and tap to remove. Now we can see that we'll just remove them successfully from the home screen. Also, we can just remove all of the applications with the folder together. Just hold the folder and tap to remove icon. As you can see, that's so simple. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.